So I told ChatGPT, make me money, fast, and I wasn't kidding. I wanted to see if AI could literally turn text prompts into profit. No skills, no followers, no coding. Within minutes, ChatGPT didn't just give me an idea. It built an entire mini business plan in less time than it takes to microwave a Hot Pocket. I sat there watching it type like some hyper-efficient digital assistant, spitting out strategies, pricing, and even marketing angles. It was both terrifying and exciting. AI taking over my job, but apparently making me rich first. In this video, I'm breaking down 4 specific ways ChatGPT can actually make you money. Not someday, not after months of research, but right now. Step by step, beginner-friendly, and free to start. One of these methods even runs while you sleep. So grab your coffee or your 5th energy drink because we're about to make the world's smartest chatbot your hardest working employee. Method number 1, the prompt to profit system. Let's start with something ridiculously simple. The prompt to profit system. The idea is this. You take something you already know, like fitness, real estate, productivity, or dating advice, and let ChatGPT turn it into a mini digital product for you. Think of it like your own personal ghostwriter and business planner rolled into one. Here's how it works. Let's say you're into real estate. You tell ChatGPT, create a 10-page ebook on how to invest in real estate for beginners, with clear steps, real examples, and a friendly tone. Within seconds, ChatGPT spits out a polished, formatted draft, section headers, chapters, summaries, the whole thing. Then you take that content, copy it into Canva, dress it up with a clean layout, maybe add some stock photos, and export it as a PDF. Congratulations, you now have a sellable product listed on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip for $5 to $20. That's it. Your first stream of passive income is live. Here's the trick. Use ChatGPT again to write your Etsy title and description. Tell it to SEO optimize for keywords like self-improvement planner, beginner investing guide, or digital download. The AI will craft a perfect, click-friendly listing that ranks higher and sells faster. Suddenly, you've gone from idea to income in a single afternoon. And once it's up, it keeps selling forever. Every new customer who downloads it adds to your total with 0 extra effort. Work smarter, not harder. Or in this case, let the robot work for you. Method number 2, the AI Freelancer Blueprint. If you want faster cash flow, become an AI freelancer. It's one of the quickest ways to make money online because people are already paying for exactly what ChatGPT can automate. Here's how it works. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and search YouTube script writing. You'll see people charging $100 to $300 per project, or look up email copywriting. Same deal. Businesses pay hundreds for words that ChatGPT can write in minutes. You take the order, ask ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting, then polish the result. You're not cheating, you're streamlining. ChatGPT handles the structure, tone, and flow. You handle the human touch. Deliver the final result, and you keep most of the profit. But wait, the competition is high, right? Here's how to stand out. Use ChatGPT to niche down your gig titles. Don't just call yourself a copywriter, call yourself an AI-powered email copywriter for fitness coaches or a ChatGPT-enhanced YouTube scriptwriter for tech channels. That single tweak makes you look like a specialist, and clients will gladly pay more because you're not offering generic work. You're solving a specific problem. With one good client, you can easily hit a few $100s a week. Add 2 or 3 steady clients, and you're already replacing a part-time income. It's simple. Niche down, deliver fast, and let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on client relationships. Method number 3, AI YouTube automation. Now we're stepping into passive income territory. This method is called AI YouTube automation, and it's as futuristic as it sounds. You can literally run a faceless YouTube channel using only ChatGPT and free AI tools. No camera, no editing skills, and no showing your face. Here's the workflow. ChatGPT writes your video script. Then tools like Pictory, HeyGen, or Runway create visuals automatically from your text. You can even use 11 Labs to generate realistic voiceovers or clone your own voice for that personal touch. In a few hours, you have a fully produced YouTube video ready to upload. The niche possibilities are endless. Finance, motivation, interesting facts, history, or business tips. Once your channel starts posting consistently, you can earn from ad revenue, affiliate links, or sponsorships. And when a few videos go viral, they keep generating income long after you've moved on to new projects. That's the beauty of it. Your AI-generated channel works while you sleep. You wake up, check your analytics, and see views, clicks, and dollars trickling in. Sure, it takes time to grow, but with AI doing 90% of the work, you can produce at scale. One person can manage multiple channels now, something that was impossible a few years ago. Method number 4, AI agent mode, the next level. Now this one's where things get serious. If you're using ChatGPT Plus, you can activate something called agent mode. Think of it as giving ChatGPT a brain, internet access, and the ability to do tasks for you. It's like having a digital assistant that never sleeps and never complains. I tested this out by giving it a challenge. Go to my YouTube channel, analyze my top videos, and build me a content plan for next month. Within minutes, it browsed my channel, compared stats, and came back with a full content strategy. Titles, thumbnails, and even video descriptions ready to copy-paste. Now imagine what that means for business owners. You can tell ChatGPT to research your competitors, summarize market trends, draft client proposals, or even manage emails and scheduling. It's automation on steroids. You're no longer just using ChatGPT to write, you're using it to think for you. People are already making money offering AI business assistant services. You could charge a monthly retainer to small businesses who want AI to handle repetitive tasks. Things like creating social posts, responding to customer reviews, or generating reports. And the best part? ChatGPT does it all in the background. It's your new intern. One that works 24/7, never takes vacations, and doesn't ask for a raise. Bonus, the Financial Freedom Calculator prompt. Before we wrap up, here's a little bonus trick, something I call the Financial Freedom Prompt. It's simple but eye-opening. Ask ChatGPT, help me calculate how much I need to earn per month to live my dream lifestyle. Then tell it about the life you want, the kind of house you'd like to own, how often you travel, the car you drive, the hobbies you'd enjoy. ChatGPT will break it all down into monthly numbers, your rent, savings goals, expenses, and give you a target like, to live that lifestyle, you'll need $8,200 a month. That's your new North Star. It's not about vague dreams of being rich, it's about clear math. And once you know your number, you can work backward. How many products, clients, or views do you need to hit that goal? That's the power of clarity, and AI gives it to you instantly. Of course, it might sting when ChatGPT tells you your dream life costs $8,000 a month while your bank account says $3. But hey, at least now you have a plan. So yeah, I asked ChatGPT to make me money fast. And it didn't just give me ideas, it gave me a system. 4 simple ways that anyone can start today. Create digital products, sell AI-powered services, run faceless YouTube channels, or use agent mode to automate real businesses. Start with 1. Don't overthink it. You don't need to master everything. You just need to take that first prompt and act on it. You'll be shocked how far you can get with $20, a bit of creativity, and consistency. I've linked all the exact prompts I used in the pinned comment below, along with a free template pack to help you launch faster. If you learned something new, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more AI money tutorials, because next time, I'll show you how to scale these methods to full-time income. Until then, let ChatGPT cook. Because the future isn't about AI replacing you, it's about you learning to work with it.